Hello everyone and welcome to Monday's Challenge Assembly. I hope that everyone had a really good weekend. Right now, just to start on a positive, let's think about what was your favorite part of this weekend? I have mine in my head. Tell your neighbor, what was the best part of your weekend? Ooh, I hear some people went to a kite festival. I say some people have been going for long walks or going to some fairs. How exciting is that? Well, whatever it is that you did this weekend, I hope it was a good one. Now, today is a challenge assembly, and because it's a challenge assembly, you have a challenge. Now, our year is of being healthy, both mind and body. And some things are good for our mind, some things are good for our body, and some things are good for both our mind and body. Today we're going to be talking about something that's really good for your mind, and that's learning. Now, we're in school. That's kind of what we do all the time, isn't it? We learn. Now, I know that sometimes learning is not easy, and you need to know that that's okay. If everything was so easy for you to do, then you really wouldn't be learning, would you? Sometimes we need to have a bit of a challenge, and we have to have something that's more difficult for real learning to happen. And we need to be sure that we really use our school motto: persevere, believe, achieve. When things get challenging, we need to persevere. We need to keep trying. We don't give up. And most of all, we need to have a positive attitude about it. Now, like I said, sometimes things are not always easy. And I know that I learn the most from those things that are more difficult. And in school, sometimes some things like reading or maths might be more difficult for you. But you know what? Geography, art, and history are really easy for you. It doesn't matter. We need to achieve what we possibly can, and that does mean that we have to work at it. So making sure you have a positive attitude, the can-do attitude, so that learning will become more of what you do on a day-to-day basis. I'll let you in on a little secret. Okay, shh. Okay, want to hear it? We will learn all of our lifetime. There'll never be a time in our lives where we won't be learning. Sometimes it'll be things like reading and writing and maths and science and history. And sometimes it's going to be things about what we need to do at home, or when we go shopping, or when we do a job. There'll be a new job when you get older, and you'll have to learn what to do. That is what we have to do. It's all part of life. It's part of being healthy in our mind and knowing that out there is an amazing world filled with things that we need to learn about. Be excited about that and don't give up. Persevere, believe in yourself, and you will start achieving some great things. Now, for the challenge. Our challenge this week is about that positivity and about thinking about what is one thing that you've learned this week that you didn't know last week. And each day, I want you to make sure you tell your teacher, tell your parents, tell your friends something new that you've learned. It can be something really small, or it can be something really big. It doesn't matter. Every day, let's celebrate the learning that you and all of us have achieved. Are we ready? Remember, positive mindset, persevering, don't give up. Things can be hard, but we got to keep working at it and thinking about all the things that we're achieving because we're learning. Right, everyone? Are you ready? I'm ready. Everyone, have a fantastic week. and I'll see you on Friday.